Let's say we have a peg like this, but we want to make it thinner like this. Well, we could fairly easily modify this STL using Blender. So here I'm using Blender 4.0. Go to File, Import, STL. Simply navigate to the STL file and click Import. So depending on what program was used to export the STL, its location in space may differ. So in this case, the object doesn't appear to have imported at all. However, you can see here that there are the coordinates of that object. And over here on the top right, you can see the object has indeed been imported. And if I zoom out and rotate around, you can see the peg is over here. So we could go into edit mode by clicking Tab or clicking up there, and press A to select all of the vertices. Now go up here, open this panel by pressing N, and then type 0, 0, 0 to get all of the vertices to locate to the origin point in Blender, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now back in object mode, here we have our object, and we want to make it narrower at the tip. So let's go back into edit mode up here. And we'll need to go into what's called X-ray mode to select the vertices in the back of the object as well as the vertices on the front. So now we can select all of the vertices that we want to make smaller. We could press S to scale, and we can drag it in like so. Just like this, and that's S to scale. Now we could select this here and go to the Move tool, and we could drag these ring of vertices down like so as well, and kind of fade into the narrow portion of the object. And here on the left, you go to the scale tool as well. And if you click and drag the white circle, you could scale everything up in every direction. And let's select these vertices as well and move them down like so. And you can modify this however you want using these two tools. And you can even move whatever vertices around as well. So let's go back into object mode, and we could view our object a little bit clearer. And let's turn off X-ray mode. And there we have our modified STL file using Blender 4.0, but this should be similar for basically every version of Blender. Just go to File, Export, STL.